I'm up here on Santra Mountain to tell the story and give you some nice views at the same time, so let's do it, baby. Hey, welcome back to Thailand Virtual Travel Network. My name is Mark. I'm going to take a look at journey towards making a little bit of money on YouTube, part one, because I've only reached part one of the journey. Please subscribe. There's a new button that you can click on to donate some money to the cause. A little money icon. Appreciate anyone's help. Thanks very much for tuning in, and let's start the story. I got 10,000 subscribers in 3 days. Here's your guide to instant monetization. How to get 30,000 views. Yeah, the real story is 1.3 to maybe 3.0% of people on YouTube actually reach monetization. If all those claims of getting instant gratification with YouTube were correct, there'd be a heck of a lot more than 3% of people reaching their goal. So let's go through the real story of where I'm at, how I got there, and what's ahead for Thailand Virtual Travel Network. Not everyone has the goal to be monetized on YouTube. I started 3 years ago. My main purpose was to give myself something to do in retirement. I've always wanted to be, contribute to the arts in some way, so that's what I'm doing. Retirement can be a dangerous thing, man. So having something in your mind that you want to do, accomplish, learn a new language, study culture, something to do, because retirement can be a dangerous thing without having a goal in mind. So here is a true-to-life roadmap of my experience getting monetized just 1 week ago. I'll cover a few things, hopefully to help you out with your journey. In this video, I'll give you the steps that I've taken and where to go in the future. First, I'll give you my equipment setup, give you my successes, give you my mistakes, and then where it all goes from here. Yeah, so here's a look at the equipment that I'm using. It's a combination of DJI equipment and Insta360 gear. It's slowly accumulated, but I'm pretty satisfied with what I have right now to make these vlogs happen. So when I left the United States, I went to Saigon, started my YouTube channel. I called it Saigon Transportation. I broke the first rule of marketing a business: call it what it is. I did cover transportation in different ways, taxis, buses, trains, but it didn't give me anywhere to grow, anywhere to expand the channel. So that was a mistake, my first mistake on my first channel. My current channel, Thailand Virtual Travel Network, also a little bit limiting in its scope, but using playlists has allowed me to add content from different countries. It's come in very handy, and it's working very well for my channel. Yeah, so recent success. I now reached a partner program level 1. What does that mean? Well, I was really excited to get the email from YouTube congratulating me on my successful monetization, except that it's very, very limited. There's only one way that I can make any money at this point with 3,000 view hours. I need 4,000 view hours to get up to the next level. This level allows a icon on the video with a $sign. People can contribute to the channel. No one has. I'm not really expecting much. Getting up to 4,000 hours of views when people only watch for 30 seconds. It's a tough road, man. Cicadas and puppies. The bane of my existence. Not really, I love puppies. I don't like cicadas. Can you hear that? Okay, so where to go from here? YouTube does give a lot of advice. Places you can go on the website to, once you're a partner in the program, opens up much more resources for you to ask questions of the staff. And one of the things I regularly go to is YouTube Studio Analytics and Trends. This shows you what your viewers are interested in, what videos are equal or like yours, that people are going to, how many people are going there, how many subscribers they have, how many views they have. So it's very, very useful to, find out what the competition is doing. And I don't endeavor to duplicate anyone, but it does give you an idea of the type of content that viewers like theirs, like yours, are interested in. Lastly, here on this channel, I pledge to give you interesting, genuine content with integrity. Thailand Virtual Travel Network thanks you for joining me. Take care. We'll see you on the next one. Please subscribe and, hit that little money button. Send me $1. It's good for coffee here. It's only $1 for coffee. Thanks. Take care.